What if one short conversation before starting a job could prevent injuries, reduce costly mistakes, and save lives? According to OSHA, effective pre-job communication can reduce workplace accidents by up to 25%. That's the power of a well-conducted pre-job briefing. The Pre-Job Briefings course from OSHA Online Center teaches you how to lead structured safety discussions before work begins. A pre-job briefing is a focused meeting between leadership and the crew to review job hazards, roles and responsibilities, special precautions, energy source controls, and required personal protective equipment. It ensures every team member understands the task and the risks before stepping onto the job site. This course explains when a pre-job briefing should take place before starting work, when assignments change, after breaks, or following an accident or upset condition. You'll also learn the proper step-by-step process, define the scope of work, perform a job site walkdown, identify hazards and controls, assign responsibilities, and discuss emergency procedures. Encourage the team to ask what-if questions to uncover hidden risks. Strong pre-job briefings improve teamwork, accountability, and hazard awareness. They reduce miscommunication, strengthen compliance, and create a culture where safety is everyone's responsibility. When workers clearly understand their role, risks are reduced and productivity increases. In just 17 minutes, you'll gain practical tools to conduct effective pre-job briefings that protect your crew and your company. Earn your pre-job briefing certification today with OSHA Online Center. Click the link in the description and enroll now to build safer, more efficient job sites starting with one powerful conversation.